Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to book flight tickets online on booking.com. So the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out booking.com. Okay, then after that, make sure you sign up for an account. So if you don't have an account yet, you just have to sign up for one. And then after signing up, you'll be able to see here now your account. Okay, so just clicked on your profile at the top right and clicked on my account. And then right here, we have to verify our email. And then you can also sign in using your booking.com account to access their services. So all you have to do here is to type out your email address, or you can use one of these options. So we have Google, Apple, and Facebook. Okay, so since we already did that, so what we can do here now is to book our ticket. Okay, so as you can see at the top, we have stays, we have flights. Okay, that's right. And then we have flight plus hotels. So if you are looking for a more convenient booking, so we can go to the flight plus hotel. We can also book a car using booking.com. So you just have to go here on the car rental. And of course, we also have the attractions and the airport taxes. Okay, so now for this video, we are just going to focus on the flights. And if we have more time, we can also go to the flight plus hotel. Okay, so now right here, okay, so the step number one is you have to select your way. So we have round trip ticket and one-way ticket. So for example, you are planning for a trip and then you don't want to book a new ticket when you go back home. So you just have to click on the round trip one. Okay, now after that, you can also select direct flights only if you want to. And here we have the economy, premium economy, business, or first class. So for this booking, we are going to select the premium economy. Okay, and then you have to select your city or the airport where you are flying from. Okay, so just click on this one. So for example, we are flying from Manila. Okay, then select your airport, and then you have to type out right here or select the airport, city, or country that you are flying to. So for example, Japan. Okay, so here we have the available airport, so you just have to select your airport. So for example, this HND Tokyo, that's right. And then of course, your travel dates. Okay, so we have here our calendar. So since this is a round trip booking, what we're going to do here is we are going to select first our departure date, and then our the date that we will be coming back to our place. So for example, we are flying to Japan next month, so we have 18, and then we are going home on the 26th. Okay, and then here for the traveler's number, so for example, you're just flying alone, so you just have to type out right here 1. And then if you're flying with children that their age is around 1 to 17 years old, so yeah, just have to add here the number and click on done after that. Okay, now that you are done with all of these important details, the next thing that you should do is to click on the search options. Okay, that's right. So just wait for a couple of seconds. So now they're trying to find a flexible ticket option. Okay, so here we have the best results for our booking. Okay, so for example, this one is the cheapest and direct, and it also has a flexible ticket upgrade available. So here, Manila to Japan, we have a direct flight. So the duration for this flight is around 4 hours and 20 minutes. And yeah, from Japan to Manila, Philippines, This one is direct flight as well, so it's around 4 hours and 45 minutes. Okay, so here we also have this result right here, but it costs more than the first result. So here, if you want to view the details for this flight, so just simply click on this view details option. That's right. So here we have the full itinerary of this booking. Okay, so of course, do not forget to look at the price of this ticket. And then after that, you just have to click on the select option. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. So here you have to choose your fare. Okay, so we have pay light, pay value, pay standard, and pay full flex. Okay, so for example, we just want this one. Okay, so click on continue, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then the next thing that we are going to do here is to input our details. Okay, make sure that everything is correct. Okay, so let me just type out my email right here. Okay, and then of course, do not forget your phone number. 9765 434 5598. And then click on next after that. Okay, so here you have to add or correct the details of the passenger. So your first name right here, and then your last name, and then you can also select your gender. Click on done after that, and click on next. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then for your extras, so here we're just going to click on next. Okay, so let me just select the standard ticket. Okay, and then click on skip. That's right, so here just wait for a couple of seconds, and finally we are now on the last step, which is the check and pay. Okay, so here we can select our payment method. Okay, so here we have card, Google Pay, PayPal. You can also put here our Visa card, credit or debit card. So just input the details of your card. And then after that, you just have to click on the Pay Now option. Okay, and then you just have to wait for the confirmation of your booking. So you just have to visit your email account, of course. So you have to make sure that your email is correct right here. I mean your email address, so you can get or receive your booking confirmation. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve the concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.